Živijo, jaz sem Lija in rada programiram robote. Danes bom pa spoznala čisto posebnega. Imenuje se Spot. I really dislike folding clothes and would love to have a robot that would do that for me. Would Spot be capable to perform the task?
Good news and bad news. The bad news is that Spot cannot do that. Good news is that I also dislike folding my clothes, so I do my best. One day we will have a robot that can do that.
Katere znanosti so se morale povezati, da je nastal tak robot?
V razvoju robotov sodelujejo res različne discipline, vse od umetnikov, inženirjev, oblikovalcev, tudi filozofov, psihologov. Študirajo tudi dosti živali, gibanje živali in nekako so se odločili za psa zaradi mobilnosti, ker 4 noge so kar nekako bolj stabilne kot 2 človeški nogi.
Kaj Spotu manjka, da ne more nadomestiti psov pomočnikov?
Ima ta pes robotski kar precej razvito atletsko inteligenco, kognitivno imajo pa naši pravi biološki psi kar bolj.
People create and teach robots how to accomplish tasks. But what do robots teach us about human life?
Of course, we can always look at them and see as if we are looking at ourselves in a mirror. And if the robot does things that we want, are they good, are they bad, are they harmful, are they helpful? Basically, we can reflect our own wishes by looking at how we program robots.
How do people react to robots?
Very different. They love them, they are afraid of them, they find them cute, they find them scary. There is no one way to react to them. Everybody sees them the way that they want to see them.
Spot ima kamere, s katerimi gleda. Ga lahko postavimo na njemu neznano območje in se bo znal sam premikati, ali ga moramo vsake poti naučiti mi?
Pol. Ima aplikacijo, kjer se lahko tudi sam uči, se pravi je očljiv, s temi kamerami in raznimi senzorji mu omogočajo, mu pomagajo, da zazna okolje, kar ima pa zelo dobro razvito balansiranje. Znajde se, kako bi rekla, na neravnem, nepričakovanem terenu, kar smo tudi danes lahko videli.
In kar brez skrbi, roboti ne bodo zavladali svetu, saj jih moramo čisto vse naučiti mi, ljudje. Adijo!